Afternoon, guys. To say the bottom fell out of the temperature would be an understatement. It was 24 degrees Celsius yesterday, end of October, and it's 4 degrees today. Well, what the heck, we're still on the water, chasing muskies and stripers. Wish us luck, and we'll try to stay warm. First mark of the day. Down right in the strike zone, probably around 16, 17 feet. Time for a line check. Been at it for 10 or 15 minutes. I still see lots of hay in the water, so it'll be a constant battle today, I'd say. Here she comes. Plenty of weeds on her. Bait was clear though, that's the main thing. Air temperature dropped a lot, but the water's still around 54 degrees Fahrenheit. Not too bad, fish still should be active. Fish, guys, fish! Oh, did he come off? We lost him, just like that. Awesome to see that bite though. Just had that last bite on a tough shad, so I'm gonna throw out a second one here and see what happens. They're running a little deeper than the jake, so I want to get down where the fish are. Remember what I always said about checking your baits and your rigging? Look at that. After that last fish, straighten the hook out. You want to pay attention to that stuff. A little chilly, guys. Just at our second spot. Tied up some new high-low rigs last night, so we're gonna bait them up, see what happens. It is a little cool. Didn't mark any fish here, but we just lost one. Unfortunately, I didn't have the camera running, so that kind of bites, but drop this bait down, see what happens. There's our bait sitting right on the bottom. See, it's in the cone now. Oh, there's the sun. Get a little warmth going on us. Back on the water, friends, and it's the 1st of November, so to all those who have served and continue to serve, we salute you. Down in a new spot today, we're in Gagetown chasing stripers. Let's get fishing. Just marked our first fish. Probably gonna set some bait up over top of them. Some more back there. The old high-low rig with some mackerel on her. We marked some fish right here and a few other spots, so I think we'll we'll drop her straight down. Got the anchor lock on. Give every one of these guys a try for about 20 minutes or so, and if nothing, move to the next spot. There we are, right on the bottom. Just want that. Thumbs up. There's our baits right there. Exactly where we want them. Just moving to another spot. We marked a couple fish here, so threw the anchor lock on. We're going to drop right on them. Hopefully they're still here. Couple big marks right there, guys. Check that out. Wow. Hey boys, don't I recognize that boat?
You sure do, Master Grill. You can reach me at Facebook, Clutch Angling Fishing Guide Services, or you can go straight to Minnow Tackle Shop, downtown Fredericton. My cards are down there, or you can also look at me on YouTube, my fishing videos right here under this bridge.
Awesome, love to see it. Let's hope we get some stripers tonight, boys.
Let's get some big ones.
Woohoo! Okay, we're all set up for the night bite. Baits are out. Time for a little hot soup, I think. Hard to beat this view. Wow. Check that out, eh? We're going back to the troll, guys. Get some extra lights on. Gonna run the tough shad. And of course the old Jenkenstein. Matt's favorite night bait. Oh, there's a fish, guys. We're on. Oh, the son of a... Oh, is he still on? Yeah, he's still on. Swimming towards me. He's still on. Okay, guys, we got to get the old anchor lock on. Anchor lock is on. Now, where's our fish? Oh, big guy. There we are, the fight is on. Keep him down. Oh, he's not hooked very good, guys. Okay, he's in the bag. There he is, guys. There's the first striper of the evening. I'll give you 3 guesses what we caught that guy on. The old standby Jenkenstein. Little small guy, but we'll take him. I'm going to say high 20s probably. Get him on the bump board. Right around 28 and a half. Nice little fish. There's a fish, guys. Oh, we just lost him. Did you see that? Oh. Just got hit. I think it's time for us to call her a night, friends. Checking out the moon on the way in, put one in the bag, had another bite, couldn't ask for anything more. If you enjoyed the video, guys, be sure to hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. Till next time, stay safe.